welcome to the 2025 Special Summer School in Magboro Center here. It's been wonderful. Children has been coming. In fact, I've not experienced seeing children trooping into a school for a summer school like this. This one is a special one. Maybe because it is free. And why? There is a foundation that made the payment for them, and that foundation is known as the Special Foundation. A lot of children that will have been staying at home or been roaming around the street, you gave them the opportunity to be part of this summer school to learn a lot of things like photography. They learned about how to take pictures.
Photography is the art of taking pictures with lights. I took a picture of people dancing.
I learned how to snap people.
We have hair making.
We have different types of cutting when it comes to braid.
Our music and orchestra is there, how to make use of the musical instruments.
Exactly.
They learned about how to make beads.
So it depends on the length of the earring you want to make.
Children are learning how to dance. Like today now, they did Zulu dance all the way from Magboro Center to the South Africa to learn how to dance the Zulu dance. So, and the children are really enjoying themselves. This summer school is not like other summer school that we've been having.
Fast one. Hey, 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 hey.
Shout out to the Special Foundation. Thank you for giving our children the opportunity to be part of this special summer school. We do appreciate you. In fact, you people are really doing a great job. I give it to you. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. God will bless you.